Day number 3 of the coast to coast walk, and I'm going to be walking pretty much up through that way and then along the ridge. I have to say my knees are throbbing because yesterday there was a lot of uphill and downhill, but nothing a little ibuprofen can't fix. Started out in that town there. There's a White House that you can barely see in the distance, and I'm to here. Made it to the top. This is Lining Crag, and yeah, magnificent views all the way around. Apparently this is what's left over from a glacier melt, and those things down there are called meringues. Trying to catch up with that guy right down there. He's a whole lot faster than I am. Just topped Helm Crag. This will be my 7th Wainwright, and I don't know a lot about those. I did read a little about them. Got some guys having lunch right here. Made it to Grasmere. This town is a little bigger. It's a little more touristy. We even stopped and got gingerbread at the Grasmere gingerbread. I'd never had actual gingerbread, I guess. I'd only had the nasty thing that you make gingerbread houses with. Beatrix Potter is from the Lake District. So we have Peter Rabbit and friends. And we are going to have dinner at the Grasmere Brewery.